Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and today I wanted to try my hand at a shaving video, just something I've been interested in, and it's kind of more so just for practice, but I figured I'd give it a shot. Everything I'm using today is pretty much just standard stuff, but in the event that maybe I would get into newer products or want to review something that just comes out, which I don't really think I would. For the most part, I just want to kind of just see how the video comes out. And it's going to be a little bit darker because I'm not using the overhead light that runs the exhaust fan. So this one will be a little bit different compared to the last one I did with the head shaver with the light. So if anyone is that interested that you're watching both, let me know which one comes out a little bit better. But I'm going to be going with the Merkur 34G. This is my newest razor. I just got it like a couple weeks ago. And I'm going to be using a feather blade in it for the first time. So I'm curious to see how that comes out. I went with the Wilkinson sword for the first try. I usually get about 4 shaves out of a blade, and I got the hang of it, but it was pretty mild. It was okay. So this should be significantly different, so hopefully I don't end up getting cuts everywhere. And I've been buying all these little sample shave soaps because I've kind of always just used the same ones forever, cheaper ones you get on Amazon. So I wanted to try some better ones. I used a few of the Taubes, and today I'm trying the GOF Trumper for the first time. This is the Limes one, which it smells good. This is also like a colored one, so I'm kind of hoping it doesn't discolor the brush, but I always rinse them out really well. And I also just got this Parker Badger brush. This one's pretty good. The only reason I got it is I have a Simpsons Chubby 2, and I really like it, but the knot, even I only usually shave twice a week, but it would start to get like that mildew smell. So I wanted to have another decent quality Badger brush that I can kind of switch off between the two. I'll go ahead and put the blade in. I'm not sure if I prefer the 2-piece or the 3-piece because that's one of the reasons why I got the 34. And I just got the gold just to have a different colored one, even though it's significantly more money. Because my favorite is the Mueller R41, but that one, I don't know. Sometimes I don't like the 3-piece, and I like the simplicity of the 2-piece. But with this one, I'm not the biggest fan of the 2-piece. I just don't like that it spins the top cap unless you hold it. And like everything kind of gets a little bit off, and then you don't really want to touch the blade unless you do it all upside down. So you pretty much always have to hold this one until the posts get lined up when it gets pulled down far enough. But that's kind of a minor thing. And since I've been using more of like the creams, I had to get a better shaving bowl. And I found this little spoon. It says Solo. I'm not sure if you can buy it separate or if it came with something. But I've been using that. And I'm not exactly sure how well this is gonna... This soap's way more dense than the other ones I've tried. So this one, you could almost just use the brush, I think. But we got some in there. But I don't really like to use a ton of soap, and I'm just going to wipe the rest on the brush. See how it comes out. So I've never, again, used the GOF Trumper before, so I'm curious to see how it'll work compared to Taubes, which I'm surprised all of these are pretty affordable too. Like I figured, since they were like, I considered them to be more name brands, they'd be like $40 or $50 a puck, but they're around like 20, 25. So they're not bad. Yeah, I really like these Shave Nation bowls. I usually, with the regular soaps I just have a little mug that they're in, and I rub it on the soap, but now that I'm doing it in the bowl, you really can get like a pretty nice lather. And I like the lime smell too. So I'll have to go ahead and put it on and see how it feels. I think I like the consistency on the brush. I just added some water to my face because it started to dry from when I started the video. And I kind of have to do the whole process a little bit different. just because I keep facial hair, so it's not as easy as just rubbing it all over my face. I think since this soap's a bit more dense than the tubs, it definitely needs stirred up a little bit more. I can see there's still a lot of the soap down in the bowl that didn't really get agitated. But I want to try it anyway. So I'm trying to go through all these different ones and see which brand and scent I like the most. And again, I kind of pay attention that I'm using the feather. You're going to switch to the light on just so I can see a little better. I can definitely feel a bit more of aggression with the feather blade. So I like that. I don't think the soap is as good as the shaves I had with the tubs, but I probably could have done a better job lathering this one. So I might add some more water for the second pass. I think that's kind of one of the things why I just kind of bought so many different things. So I'm trying, a new razor and blade combo with a new brush, new soap. And I can tell the slickness, because a lot of times after I get that first swipe off, it'll still be slick to where it already feels dry, where I'd have to reapply to with other ones I don't have to. But that might just be me not lathering this one as well. So I'll go ahead for a second pass. So I added some more water, and it does seem to be really good with how much lather it makes, but I don't know if the slickness is as good compared to the other ones. But since this is my first time using this, it's hard to say. I just don't have the experience. I'd be curious other people's opinions between Taubes and GOF Trumper. And I got the fine accoutrements sample pack too. Normally I like the Vanderhagen soaps. They seem to be about the best for the money in terms of slickness. I like the smell. I actually don't like Parasso, but I got the sandalwood one. I just think it's too strong. And Taubic's one I use, it kind of has more of that barbershop scent. Yeah, this isn't on that heavy, but should work nonetheless. I kind of just have my own method for getting around different types of passes. And then the hardest is always my neck because it grows in it like sideways. And for me, I just don't want to go sideways on the neck. So I'll either get a cut or some irritation. Now, I've done a few head shaves, which are pretty easy to do, but this I think you need more focus. So I'm probably taking longer than I would. I don't know if I'm doing as good of a job, and it's a lot of new stuff I'm using. But like I said, it's kind of, hopefully someone will like the video, but it's almost for myself just to see if I like how I have the camera set up and the different lighting and the sound, if the fan on is gonna mess up the video. I haven't gotten any cuts though. And if I didn't mention, I only shave twice a week. So it's usually one day will be like 4 days in between, one will be 3. But for the most part, it's not that bad because I pretty much leave where I have decent facial hair, and I just shave the spots where it doesn't come in very full. Probably should have put a little bit soap there, but I'm okay. And then another thing I do, because of the bald head, and as I actually mentioned in my head shaving videos, I like to do up here by the ear, because it's hard to get that perfect, even with like a really good head shaver. It's just hard to do this. And you usually have a few pieces you'll miss, so I like to just do it like this. And then that spot's nice and smooth. I can really feel that extra aggression with the feather blade in here, but it's still pretty mild. Because since like I said, kind of new format and stuff, and I'm not paying the most attention. If I was using the R41 or something, I'd definitely have a few cuts. So it does limit the aggression of the feather, but I think you could get away with using a feather, even with probably either more mild skin or just more inexperienced, because I'm still getting a really good shave, but it's not what I'm used to with using a feather, because it just is more mild. So I almost think I did get a little cut there, but that'll be nothing. I don't even think I'll need alum for that. So I'll go ahead and clean up a bit. So I'd say that's about a good job there. And I feel like I'm ready to go. I mean, personally, I don't use aftershave, and I do have some like balm, but if I would do that, it's usually just like for the back of my neck with the head shave, which I almost never need. A few times, maybe if I did use a really aggressive blade or went across on the neck, I might have to do some if I had some irritation, but 99% of the time, I don't need aftershave or balm. It's just my preference. But I think that came out pretty nice. Again, nothing crazy here, just the run-of-the-mill stuff. So I kind of, again, just doing it for myself, but hopefully someone found that helpful or interesting. I could do some more shaving videos in the future, just depends if there's an audience for it or not. If not, let me know. Am I stupid? Am I an idiot? Did I do everything wrong? Let me know. But I don't know, it's kind of fun. I've watched a lot of shaving videos, so I thought I'd try it myself and go from there. I have a few other things I can try out. Maybe I can try some other products. So if there is any interest, let me know. But thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.